We're now going to Mt Isobel trek. This is about 5 hours to and fro, about 4.9 kilometers. And now I'm at Hanmer Springs. Okay, cheers. This is a very thick forest station. Okay, now we completed part 1. Now going up part 2. Looking at where we're standing, we should be pretty high now, but the overall summit is only about 1,319 meters. So when you look at the height, it's not very high, but because the mountain here is very steep and the path is very rocky, so it makes the climb a bit tougher. It's all high knee steps, so yeah, this is